Wafer paper peony using Crystal Candy's Peony kit. I'm adding So Intense pink and green powder colors into a container and mixing it with some vodka. I'm mixing it until I get the consistency and color that I'm looking for. I'm cutting the peony leaves that I found in the kit because I want the leaves to be more flowy and create more movement. This will allow me to do so. From top to bottom, I'm adding the color to my wafer paper on the front and the back. Then I'm placing it on a foam pad to create movement in the petal. They will dry in the shape that you leave them. I'm just continuing this process with all the petals. Then I'm doing the same process with the second batch of petals. I'm only making them a little bit thicker than the first ones. And I'm adding the color on the front and the back. And then I'm going to be placing these in a spoon so that they can hold a better shape. I'm going to be cutting the last row of petals, also in 3s and 2s. I want different sizes of petals. The more variety, the better. I'm continuing the same process by adding the color to the front and the back of the petal, and then I'm also going to be placing these in a spoon so that they can hold their shape. Set your petals aside and allow them to dry completely. We're going to create an easy center using stamens. Bend your stamens in two and attach the wire in the middle of the stamen and secure it by twisting the wire around. Add the floral tape starting from the base of your stamens and moving downwards. You can fluff up your stamens, and now we're going to add the same color that we used on the petals, just to give some dimension. If you want, you can also add a little bit of gold to the tips, just to be fancy. Take a ball of gum paste and add it to the bottom of your stamens. This will help the petals stick. Add wafer paper glue to your gum paste as well as the base of your petals. Then begin to paste the petals one by one. If your petals are struggling to stick, just add more wafer paper glue and secure them on. going to do the same with the second row of petals. Holding your flower upside down, just begin to add the petals one by one, sticking them to the base of the gum paste. Bend your wire and hang your flower upside down while you continue with the other petals. Start adding the last row of petals by adding glue and then pasting them to the base of the flower. There you have it. Allow this petal to dry upside down and let's prepare the calyx. Just add some wafer paper glue to the calyx. Push the wire through the calyx and secure the calyx to the end of the flower. Allow your flower to dry upside down for it to keep its shape. And there you have it, a beautiful fantasy peony using the crystal candy peony kit.